Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. First, verify which profile and device is sharing. On your phone or PC, open Netflix and look for the casting icon or the browser tab. Close the app that initiated sharing, Chromecast, AirPlay, or a meeting app, because Netflix won't stop until the source stops. If you're on a browser, click the active tab and stop media. Doing this now prevents confusion later and ensures you cut the stream at the origin, not the display. Once done identifying the source, explicitly disconnect the cast or mirroring session. On mobile, tap the cast or AirPlay icon and choose Stop Cast or Stop Mirroring. On desktop, end screen share inside the meeting app or click the browser casting control and disconnect. If you used HDMI, safely unplug the cable. On a smart TV, pressing home exits the app and terminates the share. These steps close the link between devices, so Netflix. To finalize, sign out of all devices from your Netflix account page to sever any lingering sessions. This forces every device to re-authenticate. Make sure to restart the affected device and the router, and clear app cache or browser data to remove stale session tokens. If someone still appears to share your screen, change your password to kick them out immediately and then re-log in. These final steps remove persistent connections and prevent unauthorized sharing in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.